About to get my trim, which is much needed. My curls look a little dry right now, but this is my before. This is what my curls are looking like. My hair is getting pretty long, but I'm still trying to grow it, so yeah, we'll see. In the dryer. This is my friend Ashley right here. And I am drying. This is what my curls are looking like. Okay, this is like my after. My curls are super fluffy. And I left a lot of length. Of course, when I style it myself, it's going to be a lot curlier, so it's going to shrink a little bit. But for the most part, I'm just glad that my hair is still like long and I didn't get like a full-blown like cut, because that's what I've been getting. So yeah, these are my results, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I guess I'm not scared anymore.